Oh god. This is not supposed to happen. Hold on. Wait a minute, guys. Wait, why did that happen? That's not supposed to happen. I have to fix a bunch of things. Hold on. Alright, let's go do the intro, I guess. Hello there, gadgeteers. Welcome to another one of my streams. Today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna play with love2d. Now, love2d, I haven't, touched it, and it's my first time. When I was like, I don't know, 7 years old. Not really. Hold on. I think when I was 10, I first touched Scratch. That's where I got into programming, and I used to watch this guy's tutorial for Scratch. I think it was Warframe. I don't remember the guy's channel right now. But yeah, this was before like Griff Patch. Griff Patch is an amazing teacher. But anyways, let's absolutely get into coding in love2d, and I believe I can just like put it in second screen and it would show Mozilla Firefox. And yeah, oh, hold on, I'm just gonna like, oh shoot. Alright, I'm back. I just got like, I don't know how you call it. But anyways, let's go back. So, about love2d, right? So I haven't touched love2d, of course I said that. So let's just like get into action. First, I want to get into like the website, right? That's where everything begins. Now, before this, I actually installed the love2d library, right? And I actually have it installed in my computer. I think you just go to like, let me just like open a new page here. Are you guys seeing this page? Okay. Opening this page here and just go to love2d and then press this. And here you can download with 64-bit installer. I use that and I use the default path for it, and that's all set up. Now, it didn't actually like put the path for love. So I actually had to like manually add that to my environment paths. And that's one thing that you need to know, I think. I don't know why it didn't add to my path, but that's that. We also have macOS, Linux, and we have Android APK and other stuff, which is kind of cool. Now, I heard about love2d. The biggest thing I think is basically it allows you to code with Lua, which I'm probably familiar with because it's kind of, retro gadgets that uses Lua. So, alright, so I already installed it, and apparently you can connect it with VS Code right here. I have it connected to VS Code, and I did touch it a little bit, but just like a tiny bit. Like, for example, now I actually know that if I go make a new file here, which I have it, I'm using NeoVim. So I'm using like these Vim commands that you're not familiar with. But if I go to like main.lua, that's how you make like a folder. And inside, I think you can just like code, like for example, print hello world. And if you just leader RR this, I have it set to that. Look, it would like execute this window of Lua that you cannot see because I didn't set OBS right. So let me just like do that. So let me add OBS, not OBS, it's Lua window. It's called untitled right now. So window capture, and then we go love2d. Okay, window capture, untitled, and then match title, otherwise find window of the same executable. As you can see, we have this thing. You don't see anything because we haven't put anything yet. But if I close this, sure enough, we actually don't see anything. What the hell? This doesn't work. Wait, can I do this again? Leader RR. And then it would execute it, right? We don't see anything because we don't have anything yet. If I exit it with this. Okay, we have a long way to go. So that's my knowledge of, I don't even know how to like draw stuff on the screen yet. So if we go back to Mozilla Firefox here, the thing that I found on the internet on things you can learn, there's two websites you can learn Lua with. The first one is the official one, like the getting started thing. I think I will do this first, and when I search in the internet, other people suggested this ship pollution thingy. where it teaches you Lua. Let's go with like the official one first. So get love minus minus version. You can do that. You know what? Let's do that. So go here. I'm gonna go to the terminal, and here we go love minus minus version, and we get love 11.5, which is, it's indicating that it's working. It's added to our path. If this was not on our environment path, it won't do this. It would like throw an error where it's like, I don't know that, that's unknown. That just means that you haven't installed it yet. So make sure to install that. Okay, making a game. Seriously, we're making a game now. So to make a minimal game, I didn't click, sorry. To make a minimal game, create a folder anywhere and open up your favorite text editor, which I did. Sublime Text, which is old. I think Microsoft bought it and killed it. Oh, it wasn't Sublime Text. It was Atom who Microsoft killed. Okay, so it's a pretty good one for all operating systems. I know you guys cannot like read this because it's like all texts are like not that big. It's a pretty good one for all operating system, and it has Lua support built in. That's cool, but I use VS Code anyways because you can use Vim. I think you can also use Vim on other things, especially NeoVim. I've used NeoVim, but like it didn't really stick with me. I'd rather use VS Code with Vim motions. Create a new file in the folder you just created and name it main.lua. Put the following code inside and save it. Are you serious? Of course I'm not gonna paste it. I'm just gonna like do this. So we do like function. Oh god, it doesn't have autocomplete for Lua. Love.draw. And then we go enter love.graphics.print hello world, and then 400. I cannot type out 4. I think 4 is this. Nope, 4 is this. Okay, 400 and then 300, and then we just go here, press end. Let's go leader RR to make this. We don't see anything. You serious about this, bro? I don't even see anything. Okay, I think I messed up here, guys. Can someone like teach me what I mess up here? Is my screen good? Let me just like go on OBS and let's go with new window so I could view my window, so I could like check out what you see, guys. So as you can see that on the window of the Lua of love2d we don't see anything. I think that means that we did something wrong. Did we save it? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go leader RR. It's still black. Which is weird, you know. Let's see what we did wrong. Maybe the text is just... Maybe if the text is just like, you know, the background is black, the text is black, so you cannot see anything. Instead, let's go like here. love2d examples. Let's see. Hold on. I'm just gonna go like example code. I just wanna know if my love2d thing works. Oh, Google generated something. Thank you. I didn't ask for it, but sure. Okay, leader RR. Let's see. Oh my god, what is this? I see like, oh. I didn't code this, but I think my intuition was right. The background was black and the text was black, so we didn't see anything. But this works. Cool. Let's first like delete this. How do we delete this? Shift V, Shift G, delete everything, save it, and then see our YouTube channel. No comments yet, so I'm not gonna reply. Hold on, I'm just gonna check out my stream if it's good. Yeah, I think we're doing fine. So that works. This doesn't work. What if we just like copy and paste this? Will it work? Okay, so leader RR. Of course it doesn't work. Oh my god, it works. Why? Did I do something wrong? There is no way. Wait, I need to like... Wait, there is no way. Love2d. Support. Exposes snippet. Press F1. Okay. And then ext install. Ext install. Ext install. Toggling the debug console. Control Shift L. F2. Love2d help. Available setting. The thing is, I'm not getting like... It's weird that I'm not getting like these snippets. Am I actually getting them or not getting them? I am very confused right now. So, because like if I go like function, there's no snippets for that. There's no snippets for that. And it's saying that I have to put draw, but we don't have any keyboard shortcuts for that. That's weird, right? Or that's not weird. I think it's not that weird. We don't get snippets here because we're creating our variable. Or should it have snippets? Am I like misunderstanding snippets for something else? Maybe. Okay, so like 400 here, right? I think I did this right. But why is it not working? Okay, RR. Let's see. I should get hello world, but you see that I don't get hello world. As well, like why my laptop is not charging right now. It's like the worst time to be alive. Okay, the thing about my wait. There is no way. It says hello world. How did that happen? Was I blind? Wait, because like it doesn't display anything, right? Why did it like said hello world? And then it... What? Did you see that? Why does it take time to load hello world? I have no idea. Okay, so I'm trying now. The thing about my laptop is that... Oh, OBS just... Oh no. I think everything is freezing. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god, everything is like... What is going on? Guys, everything is falling apart. What is going on? What is going on? I can't even like control my PC right now because everything is falling apart. And my webcam is freezing, I think. I think I froze. So guys, before we continue on, I want to charge my laptop. But the thing about my laptop is that apparently like the power delivery the power brick or the power supply, what do you call it? The thing that manages power in my laptop broke. So like I have to like plug my power brick multiple times, because like I have to like turn off, turn on, unplug, plug the power brick, because like it would like turn off, like it wouldn't charge. So I have to like take it again, and then uh uh wait a second. Is somebody watching my stream? Okay, I'm back. So my webcam froze. Okay, so this is like the worst thing that could happen to me. What if I can do this? Is that possible? Nope, it doesn't. Cool. So the thing about my webcam breaking is I have to like do this. Go to my settings and find camera settings. Camera. And this, and then in this camera like settings, I have to like I have to turn off all camera services, right? And then turn it back on so that OBS could start using my camera again. That's good, right? Okay. Sorry about that. My webcam works. Hello guys. And let's see if somebody comments, which I'm sad. No one comments. And then I think like only like let's see like the overall viewership, which is 1 views. We got 1 views. Sad. But anyways, you're just gonna have to keep on going, I think. So we got this. Okay, wanna try that again? I will leader RR that. Okay, that time it loaded fast. So I was okay. Anyways, let's move on. So I'm just gonna get this back. Preview screenshot, not preview screenshot. I want preview projector on OBS, new window to preview myself, so I have a general idea on what you see, guys. So running games. Love can load a game in 2 ways: from a folder that contains a main.lua file, from a .love file that has a main.lua file in the topmost directory level, aka root. That's cool. So if I aka root, if I go here and go something like love.love, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I open this love, what will happen? Okay, I'm gonna open this love. Oh, I got this error. But anyways, let's just delete that. Okay, my shortcut for deleting things is delete, which is the D key. Why did I say delete? I have to press like the keyword D. Why is it called a D word if it's a letter? I don't know. But anyways, if I just press D, I can just like delete a file, which is cool. So, okay, that's cool. And then in Windows, Zero Brain Studio Sublime Text and blah 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 allow you to launch the game within their code editors. I have it set up. There's like a VS Code extension, which is right now love2d support. I'm using this. I'm actually not using it. I lied. Maybe I'm gonna use it because like I don't know if this is supposed to be like the syntax. because love dot. Oh, I think I'm getting all the syntax. Never mind. You can create a shortcut to do this. Simply make a shortcut to love.ext. Right click on it and select properties. I know this. On Windows, there is a special command line option which will attach a console to a window, allowing you to see the result of print calls equivalent to setting t.console.true in Lua config or running love c.ax minus console. So we just need this console thing. Sorry if it didn't switch screens for you guys, but anyways, I'm just gonna make it webcam right now, and I just learned that you can put like minus console. So, oh, it automatically goes here. What happened? Wait, what? I think it's somewhat broken. My macros for OBS is broken for some reason. I wish like there's an easier way to see if somebody has chatted, which we don't right now. Can I like fix it right now? I want to fix OBS because when I press on the main screen right now, I don't want it to switch. That's not how I wanted it. Wait, 3 views? No way. Is somebody watching? I got views. What the hell? Okay, no one has commented yet, which is cool. Again, I don't know these people. No. I mean, the thing is, you don't know who's watching right now, which is the scary part. Yeah, you don't know who's watching right now, which is the scary part. You don't know who's subscribed to you. Oh, that's like a problem though. Yeah, it is a problem. But anyways, I wanna like fix it so it doesn't like transport me to the thing. So if current scene is webcam, if current during transit check for target scene. Do I do this? Is this what I want? No, it still does that for some reason. Okay. I don't know how to fix this. So from webcam. What if I go or not? No, it still does that. Oh my god. Current scene is... I have to put this on and not, I think. There's something... I think I have to put this on and not. Okay. So if I go to second screen and press this, now it doesn't go to the main screen. Oh, which I don't like. Okay. So it's not and not. Okay, how about or not? Now it just goes to the main screen, whatever not. Okay. So I have end. If window goes for or, can you just like or? Yeah, but it's kind of weird because like I can do this. Maybe I have to like put these at the very end. Like, I think it matters. The hierarchy matters. Sorry, I'm just like configuring my like macros for OBS because it doesn't want to do what I want. Maybe like this. Does this work? Okay, so like it works this way. What if we put on webcam right now and press on VS Code? Oh, it doesn't. So hierarchy matters for some reason. What? Okay, so I got it. So and not seen, and not seen, and not seen. How about this? Okay, and not seen. I'm gonna put it on the very bottom because apparently it needs to be at the very bottom or else. Oh, we have 2 viewers right now. Can we celebrate? I don't even know who's watching right now. It could be my friends. It could be yeah, literally my friends or my parents. I have no idea. But like, there's 2 people watching. I don't know why. Maybe it does make sense. Okay, so never mind. I want to get on coding with Lua, love2d, and I'm configuring my OBS things right now. I'm sorry, guys. So and not. I think this is fine. Okay, so okay, why am I doing this in the first place? Because like I don't want to show you something. Because like every time I press VS Code, when I'm at webcam, it automatically switches to my VS Code. Okay, so for anyone who doesn't understand what I want to do right now, is let's say I have this like main screen, right? If I activate my second window, which is my Mozilla Firefox, it automatically switches screens. And same goes for like VS Code, where if I press VS Code, it does that. And I don't have like, it's hands-free. Before I had to do this, before I had to like press the Stream Deck, okay? And what I want to have is that before this, when I'm at webcam and press Mozilla Firefox or VS Code, it would automatically switch. And now I made it so that even if I like, activate Mozilla or activate VS Code, it won't automatically change. Because like sometimes I need to do something that's like personal, things that I don't want to show you, like my VS Code settings. Does that like reveal hidden information, personal information? I have no idea, but okay, so now I can do that. So Control Shift P, and I want to go to something JSON, which is I think user settings JSON, and I have these things over here. I think I can show this. Like it's absolutely fine to show this. I think it doesn't reveal any information, right? All right, I decided to show this. So go to my main screen, and I have to like find Lua here. Which I can use. Okay, I found it. So apparently here you can go here and put minus console. Is that how it works? And apparently if you do this, it allows you to see print statements things. And let's double check the fact. So on here, minus console, we just need to do that. And I'm just like checking if the spelling is right. So minus CONSOLE. Yep, it's the same. Let's see the comments. If somebody commented, nope, nobody has commented yet. And I think I'm up. So you see this, right? I think we're good. So we go save this and then go back to main.lua and let's see. RR. Okay, it's running completely fine. We have our hello world, which is cool. Now, instead of this, Shift O to make a new line here. I want a print hello. Let's save and then RR. And as you can see, we don't see hello on the console. They lied to me. Did they actually lie to me? I have no idea. Should I like ask ChatGPT if this is correct? What if I put like a lot of print statements and like exit? It doesn't even like output something. Okay. Do I have to like ask ChatGPT for this? Oh, come on. Let me ask ChatGPT for this. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I accept defeat. I'm too weak. So while we're waiting with ChatGPT, it does take like a long time. How am I doing today? I think fine. Everything is about to like be broken. I don't know what I'm talking about. But it so VS Code Lua um mm, okay. Hold on, guys. It might be like really boring for you guys. So let me just like talk while I'm doing something. So Control Shift P, and then we want that JSON thing, the settings that JSON, and then what we're looking for is this thing. Just gonna go YY to copy the whole line. Control V on the ChatGPT, and let's see what's ChatGPT. You can also make this permanent for Windows builds. Then every time you run Windows, the console opens automatically works for you. And a standalone exe how to you can modify this now pressing Alt N. Oh, is this it? No way. No, it didn't even change. For text debugging, that includes minus minus. I think it didn't change a thing. Let's see. Yo, it didn't change a thing. What the hell? Then what am I supposed to do? Console attached. Your printer will show immediately. No need to close the game. Really? You sure? Because like it didn't. What? Okay, let's go to main.lua. Because I'm gonna do it again, right? RR. Oh, I didn't save. Oh shoot. Control T. Control T. No, Control O. Was it Control O? Control O. Okay, here. Control W. And go main.lua. I'm gonna go Windows. No, not Windows. Leader RR to run it. Didn't run it for some reason. Wait, is it actually already running? No. Doesn't even work right now. Okay, leader RR. R. Leader RR. Oh, that took a while. You can see that nothing. 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 Nothing at all. Let's try the terminal. Let's go like love. What the hell? Can I clear it? Okay, we go love dot nothing. Wait, what? Okay, I want to try what if we actually run it on an actual terminal. Okay, so let's see. Love dot. We don't even see the print message. What? Am I doing something wrong? Print calls in Lua config Lua. Can I ask ChatGPT about this? I think I shouldn't use VS Code. I should use other things because Oh, okay. Just googled love2d. Sounds interesting. I ought to try coding a game. Oh, welcome, Cyrus 3K. I wish like you could. Oh, were you expecting to see it print in the console? Yeah, I was like expecting to print at the console, but I think it shouldn't. I think it shouldn't. Yeah. Hi. I can absolutely see anyone's comments. I do want like a triple monitor setup. I want like browser here, right? I want like a screen for my main screen and another one there that just shows my current like screen, and then oh hello, and then like wait, what was, and then my comments. I also want to put comments on somewhere here, someone like somewhere here. I want to put that, but I don't know how to do that in YouTube. I have 4 screens. That's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of screens you have there. Okay, so do we just not use the print? Okay. I need like a lot of research about, I need to do research about this because like so we have Linux. I'm not using Linux right now. I'm using Windows. I do have like a really weird setup where I use Git Bash on a Windows machine. So I'm using Bash as my main. Yeah, so like I think I'm done with this getting started. So where can I go next? Oh, what? Oh, what? What? Okay, never mind. Let's go here. Let's go to wiki. Or seeing if Lua has a console print function. Shouldn't it be like just print? It's like normal print. Or you know what? It's probably like quicker if we watch like a tutorial for it.
Your mind whenever you want to run your project. At this point, you're all set up.
Okay, so his next video is Learn Code with Lua,
Hello,
which
folks.
I kinda am familiar with.
Video, I'll be going through the fundamentals of, because even
He uses like a different website to like teach Lua, which I'm gonna skip for now. How about this
folks.
video?
In this video, I'll go through how to make a simple player character in love2d, where you can.
Okay.
However, if you look at the video called
I'm sorry if I'm skipping like a lot of things. Okay, so we have load update here. I put draw. Does that like affect anything, or does it doesn't really matter what name it is? I have no idea.
With DT in the parentheses.
Okay.
Add some controls to it so that
oh, we have 3 things. Love load. We have love load, love update. Yeah, I think print hello should like work, but apparently it doesn't. Maybe they don't use it for some reason.
Mind that in close row I use.
Oh god, this guy is like going in.
Or the origin of the.
Okay.
Right here is going
Wait,
to drop.
I want like, is there like a cheat sheet for Lua? Cheat sheet, not Lua, love2d. Oh, the official one has a cheat sheet. It should work. Yeah, it should work, right? No brainer. Works here. Really? I think my environment is weird. Okay, so instead of like doing these hacks, let's actually get this working, which is this thing. Because I'm actually not working this. I'm actually not using this. Because the thing is, it says here that on Windows it's Alt L, but if I tried here, right? If I go Alt L, it says something here. Alt L was pressed, waiting for a second key of chord. I think why this happens is my new Vim or my Vim thing actually is overwriting it. So I have to like figure out a way to replace this with something. Let's see. So okay, I'm lost. Okay, I think. Okay, so you can change this in preference settings. Preference settings. Okay. Okay. Preference. I don't. I do code on other languages like JavaScript, but I'm not 100% confident that I can code it. That's why I'm like learning love2d, because like you know those like raylib, right? For C, I think was it like for C++? I think for C and C++ you can use raylib. For Python you can use Pygame, was it? And for JavaScript you can go P5JS, but I'm kind of like familiar with Lua, so love2d is probably good for this. Yeah. So preferences and what? We probably need the UI version. Yeah, Pygame on Python, yeah. And I haven't touched those. Keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts. And then do we just go like Lua? Nope. Love. Okay, we have Alt L. Cool. Lua is a lovely language. I use it in my note-taking app, Silver Bullet. Did you actually know that you could use Lua inside DaVinci Resolve? I can open right now DaVinci Resolve. It just takes time to open DaVinci Resolve, so let's just wait for that while figuring this thing. So you can, okay, desired key. What do I want this? F11, does that work? Oh my god, 3 existing commands have this key binding. F12, F11 to F12. Okay, F10, 2 existing commands, 1 existing commands, 1 existing commands, 4 existing commands. Okay, every command. Okay, how should I do this? Control Shift K. Control Shift O. What is this? Control Shift P. Okay, Control Shift F. Nope. Control Shift Alt J. Control Shift Alt J works, guys. I didn't know that, but I do know Lua is used as a scripting language in a few things. Yeah, I think it's cool too. I actually like that instead of Python, Lua is used more oftenly, right? I think for DaVinci Resolve, that's the case here. So I'm just gonna open like a project right now on DaVinci Resolve and show you the Lua code inside. Which I don't think I can show you the Lua code inside because it's in a separate file, and I have to like configure OBS to show you that file because this isn't like capturing all my screen. It only captures the windows. Okay, so I have this compound clip. I'm just gonna go open in timeline. Oh my. Okay, we have this fusion composition. Okay, so let's just go inside. Let's spray it's inside. Yep, it's inside. And here you can see that we have a Lua there. You see this? If we just copy this and then go to our Explorer, you can see that this thing uses Lua, which is cool, in my opinion. I'm just gonna close DaVinci Resolve right now because it's really heavy. Okay, so I made this. Wait, it didn't make the changes. Control Shift Alt J. Okay, Control Shift Alt J it is, and you better work. Okay, Control Shift Alt J. Let's go. Okay, it's working. How about let's go to here. Yeah, it looks complicated. I would love to show you like what animation I did. Wait. It's not even... Yep, I couldn't... Oh, we don't have like the print function. Hold on, let me just like put it... Wait, should I put it here? That's a bad idea, right? I don't think we should put it here. I think we need like a function. Oh god. Okay, here. Was it like load or something like that? Let's see.
A circle.
I think it's load. So we just load it. Love.load. And then here, just delete this. Delete this. Okay. If you want to see the print output, you will have to compile it to the terminal. I guess, yeah. Yeah, I think I have to do that. Which I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna go to the terminal, love dot, and it doesn't work. Okay, let's try this. Love dot minus console. This should work, right? Which we don't have. Oh, we see hello world. I spelled it wrong. What's wrong with me? Okay. Oh, really? Okay, now we have this. Why is it not exiting? You can just use Control C command to just like terminate it. But like, okay. I actually got it to print. Let's do that again. Minus console. Look at that. We have hello world. Now, but I want it here though. Can we not do that? Because like I'm using this like extension called, I even forgot, a code runner. Is there like an option for it to... I can't chat long as I'm working, but I'll keep this on in the background. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, I got it. So good luck on your work. So use shortcut Control Alt N or press F1 to select run code, or select that run code, okay? And then, oh my god, stop code. Previous output, save all files before run. Files, okay, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Maybe you have like a setting thing. Okay, let's see. Custom command. Clear previous output, which we want. What if we don't clear previous output? What will happen? Well, I would know what will happen, but is this the fix? Nope, it still doesn't put things on the terminal, even though I have like I have put like this console. I spelled it right, which is right, you know, but okay, I think I'm kind of lost here. I think, yeah. Code runner, set working directory, default language, enable app insights. Set the executor of each languages. We did that. File directory as cwd. Whether to use the directory of the file to be executed as the working directory. Whether to use the directory of the file to be executed as the working directory. Interesting. I think I don't have to set that now. Ignore selection. Preserve focus. Run in terminal. Oh, okay. I think this is the thing we want. Okay, let's run in terminal. Okay, this is our hope. Leader RR. Okay, would you look at that? We actually got hello world, which is covered up because OBS. I have to like move the window above. Hold on. Let me just open OBS and move this window thing to let you know that indeed we got hello world. Victory! Now I can absolutely like debug things, because without the console, without like the print statements, without putting print statements everywhere, I cannot debug things. That happened on me too with DaVinci Resolve, because apparently there is no way for you to view the print statements. What? The print things, the printed things. So apparently there was actually a way to see all like the console. Like if you put like print inside DaVinci Resolve Fusion, if you put like a print statement, it actually goes to somewhere and you can actually see it there. It's just like hidden in the hidden menu or something like that. And apparently we actually got 12 views on this live stream alone, which is I think this is like a world record for me. A new best. Thank you very much guys for hopping in, but like only one person watched this though, and that person is working, which is crazy. How is that possible? So anyways, instead of this being output on the output tab, it's gonna be using the terminal. So that means that if I run the code with leader RR, which is the shortcut I made, I can see hello world. Okay, so two things I learned so far about this. We have love2d, which is I think it's equivalent to the update function somewhere else. In retro gadgets, it's the update functions. You just write, instead of love.draw, you just write like update, I think. And it would automatically see that, oh, you created this update function. It means that you want to run every frame. I think it was like 60 frames per second, or TPS as we call it. And we have that love.load, which is, I think it just runs once, but I have no idea. And I don't like that this guy just gets straight to like making a player ball that moves around. Maybe that's a great way to teach, but let's see. Okay, welcome. Oh, is this like the end of like the tutorial on the main love2d page? I think that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this and let's go to She Pollution, which they have like multiple chapters. Tutorial to the love2d framework. Do you call this a framework? Yeah, they call it a framework. I don't actually know the difference between a framework and a library. And the chapter 2 we're gonna learn about variables, and they actually use print for this one. Good thing we actually figured out how to use print. They didn't use the love.load. Okay, I'm not gonna use love.load then. Okay, and then let's see if somebody has chat. Nope. Okay, no new chat. Let's just delete everything, and we're gonna go print. Let's go like maybe like 5 plus 5, which is 10. Leader RR to run it, and we get 10 as well. We get like a black window because okay, so I do know how Lua works, so I think I can just like skip these, as these are like basic Lua. We have functions. Let's see, they're just using like print things. Again, basic stuff, I already know it. You don't believe me? Okay, so what if we go local? Do you still like the word local? Do you use local in love2d? Because in retro gadgets we need to use local or we're dead. But anyways, local function doesn't even autocomplete. That's like, oh, because okay. So let's go local function sum x and y, and then I think we don't put anything here, so just enter. Let's press let's put end there, tab here, and then we return x plus y. Let's save this. Let's print. Okay, so what we're gonna print is the sum function. Good thing we have autocomplete for that, because I'm gonna lose my mind if it didn't. X, oh, we're not gonna put x there. We're just gonna put like 30 and 20. Let's see, leader RR, and we get 50 as our sum, which is accurate. Let's go to the next lesson. Okay, now there are like explaining what is love. Do you know what love is? Maybe. Okay, so what is love? Love is what we call a framework. Simply said, it's a tool that makes programming games easier. Okay, because I think it would be really hard to code games with pure Lua. I mean, it's possible. Just like with C, you can program anything. But I think it's hard, so we use a framework, which makes sense. I think I need to like zoom this a little bit more so like you guys can read this a lot easier. So love is made with C++ and OpenGL, which is deprecated. No, it's not deprecated, but a lot of like the wait, what? A lot of like the intras, I cannot pronounce that word. Industry. Yep, industry. A lot of the industries have moved to Vulkan instead. Like Minecraft, it was coded in Java and it uses OpenGL. Maybe, correct me. But they're moving towards Vulkan. Let's have Blender. They're moving to Vulkan. And what's the other thing that's moving to Vulkan? I think that's it. I think that's the thing I only know. Which are both considered to be very difficult. The source code of love is very complex, but all this complex code makes creating a game a lot easier for us. Thank you very much. Just like retro gadgets, everyone expects updates, but it is absolutely like complicated to code retro gadgets, so updates doesn't really go as much as you like. And what are the other things? and the devs, instead of like replying to the community or like making marketing things, instead of that they focus on coding, just coding. Okay. Oh, what is this? Why is this so... What is this? Oh, we can draw an eclipse. This is the source code behind this. Oh, it's the source code. Wow. What is this? C++? Wow. You might not understand this code above at all. I barely do so myself. And that's exactly why we use love. It's not love2d, it's love. It takes care of the hard parts of programming a game and leaves the fun parts for us. So we don't just go here on Lua defining what an eclipse is. They just provide it to you, which is similar to retro gadgets. Lua is the programming language that Love uses. Lua is a programming language on its own, and is not made by or for Love. The creators of Love simply choose Lua as the language for their framework. Love graphics circle. Oh, that's cool. You know, instead of this like source code at the top, they just like made it into one line, which is cool. And this is simply Lua. Okay, yeah, that's simply Lua. If it's still confusing to you, that's okay. It's not the most important thing now. I actually want to experiment with this. Yeah. I actually want to experiment. So I think what we can do for now is go here and just play. I now know that they use, was it like local function love dot draw, I think was it, and then we go end here, and do we just go like love dot graphics dot circle, and then fill, then 10. I'm just gonna go with 20, 20, 100 and 25. Let's play with these. Let's see. As you can see, we get an error, because of course we do. Okay, so apparently it needs like, it's dealing with syntax. I didn't do the syntax right. Really? Seriously? Oh my god. Okay, so let's go here. We have draw, update, and load. Do we need... We don't need local apparently. That's sad. Let's do this. Oh, we don't need local? Wait, that's weird. Anyways, we made a circle that's like really bland. I don't know how to color it. It doesn't even teach me which part is which. Like normally if you code stuff, it would like put in, oh, this is like X, this is Y, this is the size, and like this is the color when you type things, but this, no hints at all. I just need to like blindly see what these numbers mean. Let's see. I think this is like the X and Y position, like the 20. Let's make it 50. Okay, leader RR. I mean, I think it went down and right. We don't know yet. Let's go with 500. Okay, leader RR. Oh, it's there now. Is this fixed? We can't even like size the window. Okay, that's cool. Alright. I think this is it for the video, guys. Because like, we've been streaming for 1 hour. We have 2 current viewers right now. Sorry for not watching Do we have new comments? No, okay, we don't have. So anyways, if you want more of this series, let me know, I guess. But today, it's enough. So goodbye. Have a good sleep. See ya.